Hey everyone, today I've got something special to share with you. TCS is offering a free cybersecurity internship with a certificate. Let's dive in. First, head over to the provided URL. You can find it in the description or comments section below. Once you're there, look for Tata Global Internships for Students. On the overview page, you'll notice an option for micro-internships on the right side. Click on that. You'll be taken to the internship page where you can see an option to apply for micro-internships of 4-6 hours that give you a glimpse into the Tata universe. Click on the micro-internship option. Now, you can see the details about this internship and an Apply Now button. Click on that button. You'll be redirected to the forage.com website. Tata Group conducts this internship with the help of this website. Scroll down and you'll see 3 internships provided by Tata Group. We're looking for the Cybersecurity Analyst internship, so click on that. Here, you'll find complete details and an overview of this internship, including time, skills, number of tasks, etc. After reading through everything, click on Start Program. This will take you to the login page. To proceed further, you'll need to create an account before starting the program. So once you're logged into your account and completed this internship, you'll find there are mainly 4 tasks. The first 2 tasks are easy and take around 30 to 60 minutes to complete. The third and fourth tasks are a bit more intermediate level and may take up to 1 to 2 hours to complete. Once you finish these 4 tasks, you'll receive your certificate. So, after completing the tasks, you'll need to navigate to the Achievement section to download your certificate. In the Achievement section, you'll find a Certificate section. Click on that and you'll see different options. For example, you can add your certificate to your LinkedIn profile, which will post it on LinkedIn. Alternatively, you can copy the text provided there and share it on social media. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find a download option. Clicking that will allow you to view and download your certificate. Additionally, you'll receive a list of skills that you can add to your resume, along with a resume snippet specifically crafted for adding information about this certificate to your resume. Lastly, you'll also receive tips for answering interview questions related to the skills and experience gained from this internship. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this video informative and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!